Today we're going to unboxing Giorgio Armani's cushion foundation, but it is in a heart present box. It is designed for Chinese Valentine's Day, which is the 7th of 7 in Chinese calendar. It's a very pretty box, and let's get open it. This is a very famous cushion foundation. I think most of you probably use it already. It's not first time I'm using it, so it's not first impression, but it's certainly a very beautiful unboxing for this lovely present box. Obviously this box is designed for Chinese Valentine, so therefore you are able to choose the cap and the cover, and I think there are about 5 or 6 different designs, so you can choose it yourself. And this time they give you so many examples. This everyone knows, it's Giorgio Armani's famous reviving cream. This example, and is their iconic Power Fabric foundation sample as well. And we open those box together. Let's see what other examples we have here. Oh, you got an example of their lipstick, liquid lipstick. It is one of the signature color 400. We use this one for today as well. And it's an example of their is this their primer? It's their moisturizing UV filler SPF 50 PA4+, and that's about it. Let's open this one first. I think this time they give you a small bag, not Giorgio Armani's bag, but is for putting the cushion in. But I had a look online, it is very pretty, and this one only comes with the box. How cute it is. Nowadays, like small teeny bag is back on fashion. It's really for decoration purposes. You can't really put anything in. I saw I think a new Chanel bag was literally put in a pair of earphones. You can't really put anything else, but you can use it as a belt, as a necklace, as something else. But yeah, they charge you a price of bag, but it's not as practical as a bag nowadays for whatever reason. Look at this. This is not that big as well. I think it is the size of the foundation. This is the size of my hand. This is literally a size of a hand. But very pretty. Oh, open from this side. Oh no, that's close. That's the inside. Well, if you, for fashion purposes, you can put a couple of small lipstick in there and a tissue, folded masks. That's about it. I'll show you guys. It is cute though. Let's go to the foundation itself. And this time I chose the cover, which is very bling. Look. How pretty. So inside is the same. Let's get the cushion foundation out. It's in this slightly bigger box. My color is number 2. I don't actually know how to press it in. What it says here. Okay, I think I need to open this first. Okay, that makes sense. I used the original one without needing to do this. see the spot mark here? Considering a cushion foundation, this one is really good. I think I finished one was in UK, and I introduced this one to my mom, and she really liked it. I think since last time she told me that since she used this one, she hasn't changed to any other foundation. It is very, very lightweight, but also good coverage, long lasting as well. And it also, the puff, it is very, very easy to manage. The finish is really, really good. It's literally like your skin finish. This half, I've done it. This half without. Can you guys see the coverage? It is really good. Like, it can cover up to 50% easily. Although this big mark is already covered like 50%. It is very, very good formulation. It is very lightweight and melts in with your skin right away. And you can also build up. If you haven't tried Giorgio Armani's, this one is definitely worth the money. That's the finish. Very, very natural finish. Can you see it merges very well with your own skin color? There is no color difference between my face and my neck. It matches my skin tone very well. It covers, it's blurring the pores very well. For a cushion foundation, you know, on the go, this is definitely the one you should consider. And also the puff, to be honest, a lot of cushion foundations all come with a puff, but to be honest, majority of them I use halfway through, then will change to a sponge. I find the puff is just not as easy or convenient to use as a sponge. But Giorgio Armani's one, this puff is the one I'm happy to use to finish the entire face foundation. So if you haven't tried their cushioned foundation, Giorgio Armani's one, you definitely missed something. The red cap one, I think everyone knows it is more designed or more friendly for combined or too oily skin. If you're more dry skin, you can try the black cap one. Although it's merges with your skin very well, but you still need to set it unless you are very dry skin. Otherwise, it won't last that long. But once you set it, this cushion foundation, it lasts as the same as their bottled power fabric foundation. Two of them I find similar. At least on my skin, it's very similar. So if you want to be on the go, that you travels a lot, then I would recommend the cushioned foundation. But if you just normally do makeups at home, it's better just to get the bottled power fabric one. It has more product in there as well. So if you ask me whether this one or Valentino's cushion foundation, definitely Giorgio Armani. Definitely. Now it's with powder. Considering I didn't use any concealer today, now you probably can see the difference before and after. Once I set my face, I still can clearly see the spot mark or little bit redness on my face as I didn't use concealer. For example, if I didn't bring concealer with me, I will use Makeup Forever this matte velvet skin powder foundation. This one is very, very good coverage. Let me zoom you in. because it's a high coverage, so I wouldn't use it alone. I do find it can be a little bit heavy, but I use it to cover things like this after my face is set, and it's worked like a miracle. So before I use the black side. The puff has two sides. One side is a little bit more hairy and the other side is more cushionery. So I use the cushion side, dip into the powder and just tap it off my hand, then just press onto the area I need extra coverage. Now I use the hairy side, dip into the powder as well, tap it off, and just gently clear up the surrounding. See, it's only could see a tiny, probably only see this like 10–15%. This side as well. How I would describe it, this is like a powdered concealer. This is how good this one is. Can you guys see the difference? This one without, this one with, right? Then I set with a setting spray. Then that's finished the entire face. The lip color is this little guy. Liquid Lipstick number 400. This is one of my favorite color from Giorgio Armani. It is a very beautiful cool tone red. It is very stylish and very much red carpet color. Have a look at the foundation. It is very, very smooth, and the pores area, and this one goes perfectly into the bag. If you go for evening event, I think this one is also very good. It's like your evening bag. Put your phone into your boyfriend's pocket and you bring the cushion with you. And this cushion is very good for retouch the makeup as well. And it's Giorgio Armani and it's very pretty. So I hope you liked today's video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you on my next one.